Hey guys, hope you are well. Today I wanted to share the Sarah wallet from Louis Vuitton, and I had recently picked this up. If I'm being honest, I don't buy a lot of wallets or small leather goods because I'm just that person that will use the same one for many years. For example, this is my compact Curious wallet that is now discontinued model in the black empreinte leather, and this is a mid-size wallet. You can see this is full size. This is a mid-size wallet. And this is the one I bought in Paris and I've used pretty much the last 4 or 5 years I've gotten it. Still in beautiful condition. And it's a really great wallet. It's very versatile and you can definitely use it in a lot of different bags. But I wanted something more of a traditional full-size wallet. While many people have opted to use more cards and everything, especially with the pandemic, I feel like I always prefer to carry some cash because owning a coffee shop and, the service industry, I feel like having cash is just always better to tip with, but that's just a personal preference. So as you can see, this is the reverse monogram. The Sarah wallet is a classic model that they've had for many years. You'll typically find it in the all monogram and some leather versions of this. They do have it in an empreinte version like this for about $900 or so. This version was actually $830, which is a little bit higher than an all small monogram piece, which is $720. This one goes for $830. Not sure why, because at the end of the day, it's still all canvas. But in this combination, I think it just looks so classy, so timeless, and definitely something I'll have forever. I am filming in natural light so you can see just how beautiful this colorway is. I am truly obsessed with this reverse monogram color. I don't even think it needs all this logo on it. I just would really love a bag in this color. I knew that this was going to be a forever piece in my collection, and because of that, I went ahead and got my initials heat stamped in gold. You can see it is made in France. And when you open the Sarah wallet, you do have 2 major compartments and the zipper compartment in the middle. Each side holds 6 cards, and I typically have these filled. I just kind of took some cards out for security reasons, but on the other side as well, you do get another 6 slots. Sorry, it's kind of hard to tell here, but there you go. I keep some cash in the front pocket. This buttery smooth zipper is super nice and generous as well. As a business owner, we do tend to hoard receipts, so I typically have a lot more in here, but I cleaned it out the other day. I just have my formula coupons because why not? And Target gift card because I'm there too much. And a pokey stamp card thing, which should really go in another pouch. But there is another convenient pocket back here. I have my business cards, my Costco card, and the item number, if you are interested, is M80726, and this is the Sarah wallet in the monogram reverse canvas. I don't usually keep it there, but I need to put that in its box where it belongs. The snap button is quite strong, and I don't worry about anything falling out of my wallet. This wallet also does have a back pocket, which is super convenient for parking passes and your most used cards. And right here, I just have another Target gift card because I really need to stop going there. And another one of these, which I will put in the box, but you can see it is $830. As you can see, it's a match made in heaven for my on-the-go MM. And it just really goes. I'm not the type to match my wallet to my bag, but in this case, I had both, so I just think it's absolutely beautiful. In terms of quality though, you can see the glazing is all nice and clean. However, when I first got this, I did notice a lot of sticky glue residue in the card slots right here, but it quickly went away once you start putting cards in there. And the only other thing that kind of bothered me a little bit was, you see the scratches on here? Those were already there when I picked this up. I do know in a matter of just using this wallet that it would get to that stage, but I didn't really expect to have something that looks kind of used even before I did get it. This was the only one that they had left, and so I just went for it because I do know, like I said, that it will end up looking like this. I do know Louis Vuitton is getting rid of a lot of their monogram pieces, and I'm not sure if this reverse monogram collection is here to stay. But if you are in the market for a wallet, I highly recommend this wallet. I think it's just beautiful. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any questions, be happy to answer it down below. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day.